Hi, I am Roxana from WPEstate, and in this video I will show how to manage the automatic translation and the theme string translation in the WPEstate multi-language plugin for the WPResidence theme. In this video we'll look at two powerful features that help you localize your website faster: automatic translation and the theme and plugin string translation. By the end you'll know how to configure automatic translation with OpenAI, how to scan and translate interface strings, and how to make those translations appear on the front end. Let's start with the automatic translation. Under WPEstate Translate section, you will have automatic translation menu here. The automatic translation screen lets you pre-fill translation for posts, properties, agents, and individual strings using an AI translation service. OpenAI is the recommended and production-ready provider. To use automatic translation, you first need an OpenAI API key from your OpenAI account. Once you registered and generated the key, that key needs to be added in the plugin settings. The order is to enable automatic translation. Add your key here. You need to review the system and the user prompt. You need to replace here this value with your language. Those prompts control how the translation request is framed, and they can be adjusted if you want a more formal or more natural tone. Next, select which post types should be included in the translation run. You can include things like agents, developers, membership packages, messages, posts, reviews, studio template, pages, properties, and others, or skip anything that does not need translation. This is especially useful when you want to avoid spending time and API calls on content types that are not important for visitors. After that, choose the target language for the current run, then click Start Translating, and the plugin begins processing the selected content while showing progress along the way. If needed, you can stop the job at any time and you can start again. The plugin keeps the progress already completed. The automatic translation is not limited to bulk jobs only. The same OpenAI configuration is also used on the theme and plugin string screen, where you can autofill untranslated interface strings. And for post editors or property page editors, the language selector can also offer a one-click auto-translate action for individual terms. You'll have automatic translation, and you can press redo the translation for any post or property. The WPEstate Translate also includes a glossary and translation memory. This means that you can define preferred translation for specific words or phrases, and repeated text can reuse earlier translation instead of being translated from scratch every time. The automatic translation is a huge time saver, but it still needs to be reviewed by a human. This matters especially for legal language, real estate terminology, measurements, and anything customer face. Also, keep in mind that OpenAI usage is built by token, so large translation batches can increase costs depending on how much content you send. Now let's move to theme and plugin strings. This area is where you translate all the interface text discovered from your active theme and supported plugins. You will find the section under WPEstate Translate, Theme and Plugin Strings. When you open the screen for the first time, the grid is empty. The first step is to scan for translation. You'll have this button here that you will need to press. The scanner looks through active theme, its parent theme if there is one, and active plugins that include their own language folders. It reads existing translation files and registers the strings it finds, including any translation already available. If you use a child theme with its own translation files, the scanner can pick those up too. You can see that here I have a warning that no child theme is active, and since in our child theme you will have translation files already made for many languages, I will go to Appearance and install the child theme. You will find the child theme in the theme pack. I have it here and I will install it. I will activate it. Now I will go back to theme options, theme and plugin strings, and refresh the page. And now the child theme is detected and the translation files are found. So the first step is to scan for translation. You'll have here the message when the scan is completed. And once the scan is complete, the grid lists the discovered strings grouped by domain with one column for each active language. So you will have the domain, the string, the label in English, and here you can add translation for each language that you selected. In my case, Spanish and Romanian. Each row can be translated directly inside the test area, and the field save automatically when you move away. So there is no separate save button for each row. Below the scan controls, you also get an automatic translation block for strings. You choose the domain, choose the target language and click Automatic Translate. The plugin then sends untranslated strings to the configured provider and fills the grid for you while still leaving the final wording under your control. The next step is critical. Even though translations are stored in database as you type, they do not appear in front end until you click Generate Translation Files. That action compiles the translation strings into MOV file in the theme languages directory, and from that point WordPress can serve them normally through its getting test system. You'll have the confirmation message here that the files were generated, and next the translations will be visible on front end. So in short, automatic translation helps you translate content and string faster with OpenAI, while theme and plugin strings gives you precise control over the interface state visitors actually see. Together, these two features make the WPEstate Translate plugin a much more complete localization workflow for real estate sites. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos. Flow for real estate website.